Data Agents is another new AI agent that HubSpot has recently rolled out. And in this video, we're just going to play around with the tool a little bit. We're going to leverage the smart properties feature of this agent, and we're going to create a new smart property or two just to show how this works. So you can find this tool as long as you're in beta over here on the left-hand side under data management. You can scroll down to smart properties, and we do have a company type property already in this account, but we're going to see how this tool can create a new company type property from scratch as if we didn't already have this property. So I'm going to go ahead and add a prompt. Let's say create a company property called company type search of companies in the account. We're going to call it company type smart. And generate property. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, great, good start. Created a company property. And look at that, we've got 10 drop-down options based on research that Data Agent did on all of the companies in the account. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and create this property. I'm gonna pull up a couple companies just to see how accurate this property was in labeling these companies. All right, so I've pulled up Vanguard Advisors, and we're going to see what this property has to say. Well, under actions, we're going to go ahead and fill smart properties, and I'm going to select the one that I just created, and we'll fill it. And after just a second, the property got filled in. It's labeled as a corporation. So yes, it is a corporation. I would say that these drop-down options are all accurate. All these company types do exist in the HubSpot accounts. They are a little bit generic, if I'm being completely honest. It would be nice to see asset manager, wealth manager, RIA or BD, broker dealer. It'd be nice to see that it created some more specific, a little bit more granular options. But, I would say that this is a good starting point. And I bet, if I gave it some more context, tweaked the prompt a little bit that I used to create this property, I bet that these drop-down options could get a little bit more specific. And I bet that HubSpot would be able to drill down a little bit more and further categorize these companies. I ran another experiment. I really wanted to see if this tool could get a little bit more specific. So I created a property called Wealth Management Company. Here's the prompt that I used. I said, research the company and determine if it's a wealth management company, yes or no. I pulled up a company that I know for a fact is a wealth management company that we have marked with our official company type property. And I'll pull up the wealth management smart property that I created. And here it is right here, wealth management company. And the smart property said yes. It said it is a wealth management company, which it in fact is. So that's definitely reassuring. Again, this is the sort of tool that I think you have to play around with a little bit, just in terms of the prompts that you give the feature in order to get the results that you're looking for. So really cool stuff. I recommend you try it out.